Kim, 81, and former star of The Apprentice Amy Enzel clashed over whether Phillip Schofield should be replaced by Alison Hammond. The debate unraveled on the latest installment of Dan Wootton Tonight on GB News, with Amy defending 61-year-old Phillip. Host Dan claimed, "You've got three of the country's most respected women, Kim Woodburn, Amanda Holden, and Nadine Dorries, all saying they have witnessed appalling behavior from Phillip Schofield. It comes after Conservative MP Nadine Dorries accused Phillip of being somewhat intimidating in her latest Daily Mail column." Opening the debate, Amy told Kim she didn't think Phillip should be replaced on This Morning, adding, "For all I know, these could be false accusations." Piers Morgan issues apology to Talk TV viewers as show force off air/latest/Phillip Schofield. Amy added, "I think Hess doing a great job. If Alison Hammond or someone like her proves to be more popular, we will see what happens." However, Kim had contrasting views and accused Amy of not really watching This Morning or believing people like Nadine Dorries. "Are you saying every day on This Morning he wags his finger at women sitting across from him?" Amy asked Kim. "I did not say that, open your ears," Kim fumed, "you're obviously going deaf. At no time did I say that." Amy condescendingly replied, "I am not deaf, I can hear you loud and clear, my computer is working just fine. I don't care what you think because you talk rubbish," Kim clapped back. Emmerdale fans work out father of Chloe's baby, and it's not Mac, don't miss. Phillip Schofield accused of scaring I'm a celebrity star. Insight, Dan Wootton brands Phillip Schofield most loathsome person on TV. Reaction, This Morning fans distracted by Rochelle Hume's appearance. Latest, continuing to lambaste Phillip, Kim reminded Amy, "What about the Queen incident when he jumped the queue by putting a press tag on?" The presenter was referring to when Phillip and his This Morning co-star Holly Willoughby were accused of cutting the queue to see Queen Elizabeth II lying in state following her death last September. Kim continued, "You're someone I'd love to have a go at because you're so thick it's unbelievable." Host Dan shook his head following her insulting words as Amy replied, "I am not thick, I am very well educated. I went to one of the top universities in the world." GB News viewers were divided over the debate, with Tim Blandford commenting on Twitter, "Turned it off. Two shrieking women shouting over each other. Sick." In contrast, viewer Maria did open to her followers, "Kim is hilarious." Summer claimed, "I agree totally with Kim. While I wish she didn't keep losing her head, she has a good point. Someone at High TV is protecting Schofield. Also, how can they keep Lorraine Cayley going this long? She should have been put out to grass a long time ago." Dan Wootton Tonight airs on weeknights at 9 p.m. on GB News.